Today, we're setting our sights far, far away. We all know we live in the Milky Way galaxy, a swirling disk of billions of stars, our cosmic home. But did you know we have a galactic neighbor? It's called the Andromeda Galaxy, and it's a story waiting to be explored. Ancient discovery. Believe it or not, the Andromeda Galaxy has been a familiar sight for over 1,000 years, long before we had powerful telescopes to pierce the veil of darkness. Imagine gazing up at a clear night sky, a million twinkling stars carpeting the blackness. Amongst those countless points of light, a keen observer might notice a faint fuzzy patch that seems to defy explanation. This, my friends, is exactly what happened back in the 10th century. A brilliant Persian astronomer named al-Sufi meticulously documented his celestial observations, and among them was a description of this curious, fuzzy object. Little did he know, al-Sufi had just made the very first recorded observation of our neighboring galaxy, the Andromeda Galaxy. Modern marvels. Fast forward 1,000 years from al-Sufi's groundbreaking observation, and the invention of the telescope revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Andromeda, once a faint enigma, transformed into a breathtaking spectacle. Telescopes revealed its true nature, a majestic spiral galaxy, not unlike our own Milky Way. It boasts a dazzling disk of billions of stars, intricately woven with swirling dust lanes that act as stellar nurseries. Glowing gas clouds, vibrant nebulae, paint the galactic canvas, hinting at the ongoing drama of star birth and death. But here's where things get truly mind-blowing. Andromeda isn't just beautiful, it's incredibly distant. The light we capture from it today has been traveling for a staggering 2.5 million light-years. That means we're essentially peering back in time, witnessing Andromeda as it existed 2.5 million years ago. It's a humbling perspective, a reminder of the immense scale of the universe and the incredible journey light takes to reach our eyes. A galactic brawler. Andromeda's story doesn't end there. Recent observations suggest it's been a bit of a galactic brawler in its time. We've found evidence of past collisions with smaller galaxies, hinting at a turbulent history. This is fascinating because in about 4.5 billion years, get this, Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course of our own. Later discoveries. But the plot thickens. Just recently, astronomers discovered a giant disk of hot gas surrounding Andromeda. This unexpected structure is unlike anything we've seen in spiral galaxies before. It throws a whole new wrench into our understanding of how galaxies evolve. The enduring fascination. Andromeda Galaxy is a window into the past, a glimpse of what might become of our own Milky Way. It's a reminder of the vastness of the universe, the constant dance of creation and destruction. As we continue to explore it, we unlock new questions about galactic evolution and the possibility of life elsewhere. So, the next time you gaze up at a clear night sky, remember that faint smudge you see might just be our future galactic neighbor, the magnificent Andromeda Galaxy. The universe is a truly amazing place, filled with mysteries waiting to be explored. If you're curious to learn more about Andromeda or anything else space-related, leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep exploring. Speaking of exploring, have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel to Andromeda? Let's discuss the possibilities in the comments.